It is the universe's ultimate destination, a one-way trip from which nothing, not even light, can return. A black hole. We are fascinated by them, terrified of them, but what would really happen if you fell into one? What would you see? What would you feel? And what would be your final, terrifying fate?
This is not science fiction. This is the journey to the end of reality. First,
your experience depends entirely on which black hole you choose for your final dive. If you fall toward a stellar black hole, one just a few times the mass of our sun, your journey will be violent and brief.
But if you aim for a supermassive black hole, like Sagittarius A star at the heart of our own galaxy, your experience will be strangely different and far more terrifying.
Let's assume you've chosen the giant. You are in your spaceship, drifting closer. Far away,
your friend watches safely through a powerful telescope. You pass a critical, invisible boundary, the event horizon, the point of no return. And here, reality itself splits in two. To your friend, watching from afar, something bizarre. And here, reality itself splits in two. To your friend, watching from afar, something bizarre happens. As you approach the event horizon, you begin to slow down. Time itself, for you, appears to stretch. You become redder, dimmer, and seem to freeze in place, locked on the edge of the black hole for eternity. Your friend will never see you cross. But for you, nothing. You feel no boundary, no sign. You just float right past the point of no return, as if it wasn't even there. You are now inside the black hole, completely cut off from the rest of the universe, and your fate is sealed. You look back. You can still see the entire universe, but it's now trapped in a small, shrinking circle of light behind you.
This is where the true journey begins.
And this is where it gets its famously gruesome name, Spaghettification.
The black hole's gravity is now so extreme that the pull on your feet is millions of times stronger than the pull on your head. You begin to stretch.
At first, it's a gentle tug, but as you accelerate toward the center, the force becomes unimaginable. Your body is stretched, elongated, drawn out like a single strand of... You are being torn apart, atom by atom. The very atoms that make you are unraveled into a thin stream of subatomic particles, funneling down into the darkness. And this is the crucial difference. Had you chosen that small stellar black hole, this spaghettification would have happened before you even reached the event horizon. You would be torn apart before you even got inside. But because you chose the supermassive one, you were granted a few, fleeting, conscious moments inside before the inevitable, agonizing stretch. What's left of you, that stream of particles, now faces the end.
The singularity.
This is the heart of the black hole, a point in space, perhaps infinitely small, where density is infinite.
A place where all the laws of physics as we know them,
time, space, matter, completely and totally break down. It is the end of the line. Your journey, your atoms, and your story end here, crushed into a point of infinite nothingness.
Your journey, your atoms, and your story end here, crushed into a point of infinite nothingness. An experience you cannot survive, observed by no one and reported back by nobody. It is a playfilm where time freezes from the outside, but your body is shredded from the in.
It is the terrifying, beautiful, and final truth of gravity's ultimate power.